Hi, bonjour, enjoy the blue waters sailing to the port of Monaco, relax video, no ads, not monetized, reporting from the Monaco Yacht Club, featuring electric or hydrogen university racing boat competition, the Energy Boat Challenge 2026, short student boat interviews. They deserve our attention. A 10-min popular science report may not reach many, but important initiative of Monaco to create a sustainable, clean yachting future.
Hallo, wir sind das One-C-Team, wir kommen aus der Universität Berlin und das ist unser Boot. Und gerade wird noch an den Batterien gearbeitet und genau, wir machen jetzt zum 4. Mal, sind wir Teilnehmer der Monaco Energy Boat.
Und Sie sind der Pilot?
Genau, ich bin Pilot.
Danke.
We are from the EHU, University of the Basque Country.
And now in Español.
Venimos de la Universidad del País Vasco.
So we are from Polytech Nantes.
Knowing, do I have to give more power at that moment? How can I? Possible, but during all the race.
Yeah, it's a very long race, the endurance, and all of them have different batteries. It's 4 hours of management. There are a lot of different strategies.
I wanted to ask you because you sustainable innovation.
I'm Ferrer. I am from Yugen Sailing, from Belgium, and this is our boat.
And you say it's autonomous?
Yes, our boat is fully autonomous, so it drives around itself. And we also have the option to have a remote controller and steer it from the shore. And then we also have the ability to have a driver in it, and he can drive the boat around.
Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes. I just want yes. Don't play me like a song on
The water goes in the front and goes through this pipe into the computer, cools the computer, and when it gets hot, it goes back down here and out of the back of the.
And you have a water-cooled motor?
Yeah, it's water cooled. And it keeps it very cool at like 20 degrees.
Which university?
At TU Berlin.
Okay.
My name is Sasha Lee, and we are coming from Shenzhen, China, and presenting our team Alaqua as the first Chinese team participating in C-Lab for Monaco New Energy Boat Challenge. And we are starting from a design company. We have more than 10 years of design a yacht. We decided to do the manufacturing by ourselves.
我们这款船叫 Agropark， 它是针对于欧洲市场的白人领域。然后我们这款船呢，它的极速能干到22节，然后它只有20千瓦和40千瓦的一个推进器。然后我们现在正式开始向欧洲市场以及北美市场售卖。
Okay. Hi guys, I am reporting from the Monaco Yacht Club. I show you around. It's the Energy Boat Challenge. This is the way out. There you go, the new generation of boats, everything. Alors.
Ouais. Bonjour, alors je suis Sophie Casselin, responsable communication chez WinAv. On est motorisé 100% électrique pour bateaux haute puissance. Alors ici nous avons notre modèle 250 chevaux qui est présent ici au Monaco Energy Boat Challenge. Et donc nous avons les batteries dans le bateau. Et nous pouvons, ici nous avons un 250 chevaux.
But then disappear when the highs get lower. I ain't your maybe. Tell me what it is, 'cause I'm way too grown. You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. But you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. Just to close the door. I stay up late trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Halfway in. You hit me up when the nights get slow, but then disappear when the highs get lower. I ain't your maybe. Tell me what it is, 'cause I'm way too grown to be messing with a love like this. I give you